Good
Yeah.
morning, good afternoon, and good evening, campers. Welcome to day 3 of launch week for AICamp. I'm joined by Shreya and Nishchit, founders of AICamp. How you both doing today?
Hi, we are doing really good. So much excited about this feature. It's currently under beta, but it was the first time we are going to launch the generative AI. So yes, but I am very much.
We're hearing some feedback, I think, from you, Nishchit. I don't know if it's background noise or they're doing construction.
Uh, Maximum.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you hear that too?
Yeah. Actually, we have construction running over here, so
Don't
that
they
might
know
be.
it's launch week? They have to, maybe they're helping, they're building the new campsite.
This
It's a
is.
new feature.
Yeah, it's new feature. I think you can hear from my side as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, I just want to make sure that people could hear Nishchit. But
Yeah.
this today we are going to talk about the rag extensions, correct? Hey, he's
Yes.
Uh,
back with the whiteboard
Yeah.
this time. With the I like that.
yeah, but I is also here.
Well, I told you yesterday we should use the board. We could just use the board and you can write it all out, plan it out.
This is nice idea. We'll do it in the next launch week.
Next week, next launch week.
Yeah.
So we got 2 features for AI Camp that we're going to discuss today is image generation. And we're not talking about the other. Let's see. We
Yeah.
have what are the rag extensions anyway? What is this all about?
Yeah, so the RAG is something like you can achieve your multiple goals within the one chat interface. So it's the retrieval augmented chat. So uh, you can ask to generate image, you can search from the web, you can ask to your files. So any task you would like to accomplish in your routine life, it will happen within a one interface. And in the backside, it will be connected with the multiple LLMs, multiple services, and multiple image generation tools. But on the front side, the user will not have to worry about what is going to happen in the backside. So everything's the tasks they would like to accomplish will happen on the front only. So that's what reg is. In simple term, the technical term is a bit difficult.
Yeah.
to explain. So for example, if you have the chat, so you can ask anything, like you can connect it to your data sources and ask questions to there, and you can upload files, ask to your file. You can prompt to generate images, you can prompt to generate videos, anything.
So well, let's touch more on the image generation. What is the image generation with the rag experience like? I guess we could show that.
Yes. AICamp is different than a ChatGPT. So, for example, in ChatGPT, you can prompt to create images. It will create images in front of you. But in AICamp, we have multiple models, and that's why you can talk with multiple models to generate your own images, right? So that's why we are coming with a new feature is called extensions. So what happened in ChatGPT? So ChatGPT, when you ask a prompt, so in the backend they are using the DALI, their own model, to generate the image. But in AI Camp, we are offering a freedom to use multiple AI models, and in future also will offer a multiple image generation models also. So you can connect stability and mid journey maybe in the future. So we will offer this freedom in our users' hand. So that's why we are coming with extension feature. So every feature will have an extension to extend the rack capability of the chat. So currently, the first launch is the DALI 3. So you can connect the DALI 3 within your workspace, and every member of the workspace will have option to generate the images using the DALI 3. So that's
Wow.
one extension. Now the second extensions we are going to launch is the web search using the Google API, and the third will be the stability model we can integrate to generate images in the future, Mid Journey and so on.
Wow. So
So
you're gonna,
that's
yeah,
so that's the extension part in AICamp.
and you're gonna build out a bunch of other extensions in the future as well. I guess as the users request, whichever ones are the most relevant.
Yes, absolutely. So we have a plan to launch very generic extensions. We are very much useful for our community in a generalized way, and we will also offer a custom built extensions so our community can build their own extensions based on their own requirement also.
Oh, very good. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, the custom extension sounds like a great
Yes.
idea. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of users will like that. Do you want to go through a demo today of the extension of what is coming and what is
Yes,
available?
absolutely, absolutely. Uh, I'm sharing my screen. Just give me a second for my background noise. Uh, okay, so this is the dashboard of AI Camp settings. Uh, I'm getting my own echo voice, so I think Joy, you can mute yourself when I will be speaking.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the dashboard of AI Camp. You can just go to the sorry. Let me go back to the main dashboard, and here is the setting. You can see this chat input. You can ask anything from here, right? But it only accept the one command at a time. You cannot modify like in a way you would like to have the answers from the AI. But now we have the extension capacity. So you can go to setting. There is an option extension under the workspace section. You can just go to there, and there is a two extensions right now available. One is DALI 3 and web search. Web search is temporarily disabled, so it's coming soon. You will see here. So in a couple of days, we are also going to enable it. But let's talk about the DALI 3. So there is a toggle button. You just need to toggle it being an workspace owner. So when you enable it, it will appear switch on take here. And the only one requirement is that you will have to enable the open AI APIs connected in the model settings. So when you go to the models, so this open AI provider need to be connected to enable the DALI capability. So let's go back to our chat. So when you come here, you can see the option, the plain and the generate image with DALI. So that means that plain, you can directly talk with the LLMs. There is no other features need to be enabled here. So you can ask anything here like you were doing previously. But now if you would like to generate image based on the prompt, so you can just create select the option generate image from Tally, and I have already made one prompt here, and let's ask the generate the image of moonlight, flowers, and the mystical creatures hidden in the shadows. So let's see what it is generating for us. So image generation take typically 10-second around, so we will have to wait for the time. Okay, great.
Wow, looks nice.
So this is the image is generated with help of the DALI 3 plugins. And now we can again ask plain things to the model and continue the chat, or if you would like to regenerate the images based on the updation, so we can go from here. And beautiful part is that we have generated DALI 3 image with help of the GPT-4 model, but we can use any model. So what model do here is that our prompt is incomplete, so it will generate a more informative prompts to for us to generate the images. So here is the prompt generated by the model for, and this image is being generated with this prompt. You can also copy it from here. You can download the image here if you want. So that is the feature we are going to enable in the extensions part. The second thing I would like to share is that we can also generate the images with other models which are enough capable to understand the advanced prompting. So we are saying it a multi-model. So right now, I think Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet is recently been released. So let's try the another prompt with it. So we are going to give a very simple prompt to 3.5 Sonnet, and let's see what it creates with DALI. Okay, so Cloudy understand that it will going to use the DALI 3 to generate the image, and finally with combination of 3.5 Sonnet and DALI, it has generated the planet image
Nice.
here.
Very
Yes.
cool.
And anytime if you want to switch off the extension capability generating the images, so you can just switch off here,
Okay.
and you can go back, and it will disappear from here from your chat.
Okay.
So that's what for today's. uh, I was hoping to release the web search extension also, but I think it will take one day more to enable it,
A
because
little
I
more
need.
time. Yeah.
Yes.
And you might be adding, you said the Mid Journey. Is that difficult to add as well? The Mid Journey extension?
Not actually. It's easy to build, but I think Midjourney is not publicly offering the APIs. Uh,
Yeah,
so
that's the problem.
great. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I was wondering how you when you get around that one. I like using Mid Journey for certain photographs, and then Dolly for more of the creative illustrations. But I think they're both great. So
Yes. One more thing. The extension feature is under the beta right now
okay,
because we are experimenting so many things at a time with it. So. Uh, it is a request to our community that if you try this feature and if you want any upgradation or any if you're facing
yeah.
any we have a Discord server. Please do join us and help us and improve this feature for our own our whole
Yeah,
community.
I was gonna mention your Discord group, which is great, and I think that's perfect because, when founders release the new features, they just release, and then the users sometimes they just say, "Oh, they complain, why isn't this working? I did this." You don't know the prompts that the users are using, the prompting. So it's good to get that beta, the experience of what's going on, what's working, what's not working, and fix it on the fly. Where rather than just releasing a feature and saying, "This is what it is. Good luck. See you later." But I
Sure.
see,
Thank you.
yeah, I see that you do have a lot of good discussions going on there, and the users are already giving you a lot of feedback. So I guess you can also listen there with the extension request, and you have a roadmap set up on your new website, or are you basically using the Discord as kind of like the roadmap?
Yeah, we have also roadmap dedicatedly available on the Kenny. So it's AICamp.kenny.io. So we have
Okay,
more than 50
okay.
features over there.
And then you could vote upvote things, I guess, etc.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's very very helpful. Well, this is exciting. I'm excited to try out the extensions and do some prompting and with the Dolly and let you know what comes up for me, how it looks.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And the tomorrow we are going to launch the open router integration. So it was the most asked feature in AI Camp. You can go and check out on Kenny as well. Uh,
So
so
tomorrow,
yeah,
day
yes,
4, tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna go over that
yes.
one. I'll get some questions ready for that one as well. All right, that was great. That was quick.
Yes.
Thank you again, Nishit, for another awesome demo. Even during the construction, they're like knocking down the walls around you as you're doing a presentation. That's pretty good. You stayed focused. You're good.
Thank you very much, Joy.
Shreya, you can't rattle him. He's focused. He's like, I don't care. I was waiting for the construction worker to show up behind you with the hammer and drills, and you know. You're good.
Yeah.
You're good. Well, thank you both. Thanks everyone for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 4.
Yeah.
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 Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Joy. Good day.
Bye. Have a
Yeah.
good rest of your day, everybody. Good evening.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.